Okay, let's go to example 1. The record low temperatures for a town in Maine are negative 20 degrees Fahrenheit for January and negative 19 degrees Fahrenheit for February. Order the numbers from least to greatest and explain how you arrived at the order. Now, the method that we're going to use to order negatives and positive numbers is going to be to plot them on a number line. So I'm going to draw a horizontal number line to help us out. I need to make sure I get negative 20 and negative 19 plotted on that number line. Now, this time I'm not going to draw out in a huge number line. I want to just draw a small segment because notice these numbers here are both negative. We don't need to draw the positives. And also, those numbers are relatively close together, so I don't need to have numbers like negative 1, negative 2 on there. I just have to understand where they would be at, okay? Well, if I'm only going to plot negative numbers that are close to those two integers, I got to first understand that 0 is going to be somewhere over here to the right. 0 is going to be to the right somewhere. I'm going to start with a negative 18. That's close to negative 19. Negative 20. All right. Now, I've got to remember the way negative numbers work. So we're going from right to left here, basically, from 0. That means this is the negative 19. This is the negative 20, negative 21, and negative 22. See, I don't need to plot out all that point. I can save myself a little bit of time. I can understand what would be a good interval, what do I need to be close to. Now I'm going to plot the 2 points, negative 19 and negative 20 on there, in order to compare them. Now the way we use the number line to compare numbers that are plotted on there is the farther to the left, the lesser the number gets, the smaller it gets. The further to the right, the greater the number gets, the larger it gets. So we can see that negative 20 is to the left of negative 19. So we can say that if we're putting them in order from least to greatest, negative 20 is going to be the smaller of the two, and then negative 19. Or if we were asked to compare them, we might say negative 20 is less than negative 19. And the reason being is negative 20 is to the left of negative 19 on the number line.